Went to do a small video about replacing the lower steering column bearing on a late 2007 2500 HD, a Silverado. There's not much information. I found a video of a guy that cut the back of looks like a metal housing on the back of the column that would not let you pull the bearing out. I checked the diagrams. It said it had some bolt in it. I took the steering column down, and first they looked like rivets. It was dark yesterday. Today I used a very bright flashlight, and thank God they're just torque screws. So I'll be taking some video of that and to help you on your job when you want to replace the lower steering column bearing. So as you can see, I got the steering column lowered, and this is what we're talking about. Sorry. Here we go. Right there. There's 3 torque screws that hold that metal plate that goes all the way to the back and stops the steering bearing. This is a lower a view from underneath. And that, oh shit, this LED light. Didn't count on that. Where is it? Oh, right there. This is the part we're talking about. This does not let you pull in that bearing. And all you gotta do is remove those 3 torque screws from the top, and this should come out.